Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we are back at IKEA, and I wanted to show you guys some of the new stuff that was added to IKEA, some of the new stuff that I found here at IKEA. So I'm just giving you guys a small walkthrough at IKEA right now. So I came in here, they had a couple of stuff on sale, but we missed the most important one, I believe, but it's going to come back again in spring. And so let's just get started. Some of the stuff that I've end up finding here at IKEA. So if today is your first time on checking on my channel, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys. Push the subscribe button down below, push the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So I make videos on shopping, home decor, cooking, chit chat, and things like that. So push the subscribe button down below so that you can join the family. If you're a returnee or a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos today. So at IKEA was having a 20% off on all IKEA home appliances, and they were going to be running out on February 16th. Guys, we missed those sales. The sale started on the 27th of January to the 16th of February, and after these sales is going to be the countertop that are going to be going on sale next. But the guy did let me know that their sales is going to be coming back right after the countertop goes on sale. So these are some of the stuff that I end up finding here at IKEA. I hope you guys love this video. I'll try my best to explain a little bit of some of the stuff that I end up finding. And like this fridge, for example, originally was $1,000, now it's like $800. You're saving $200 off on that fridge. The microwave was also on sale. A lot of the appliances was on sale. Like you could save a whole lot of money on those appliances. I know today was the last day for the sales. They said February 16, and today is the 16th. I'm so sorry guys that I didn't post this video on time, but they did let me know that their sales is going to be coming back very soon after the countertop sales finish. So after this home appliances sale, their countertop is going to go on sale, and then the home appliances sale is going to come back again. So guys, watch out for the sales. If you're planning to renovate your kitchen and you're planning to go to IKEA for some of these things, hold on for the sales. They're coming up very soon. So I also found some of these kitchen stuff as well at IKEA, like new kitchens and chairs that I feel like was really cute. The acrylic kitchen chairs that was available at IKEA. IKEA has a lot of stuff when it comes to home decoration, home appliances, and very affordable, and you can use that to like upgrade your space, your kitchen, when you want to save money. So guys, I'm going to let you guys watch this video to an end and see some of the stuff that was available that I end up finding. Some of the stuff was also on sale. If you're a family member at IKEA, you get a special price. There was this table and stuff that was on sale. If you're a family member, you get a discount, like you get it in a cheaper price. So guys, I hope you guys love this video. Watch this video to an end. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
What's gonna give you more time forever? just close my eyes and think of you when I'm sleeping with someone new. I can't help myself, I wanna hit you. Still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you mine. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, when I'm sleeping with someone new. I just close my eyes and think of you when I'm sleeping with someone new. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making,
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a